Hey Leo, ready for today's lesson? Because we're going somewhere.
Oh no, are we traveling again?
Yes, today we're going to the bus station.
Great. I always get nervous in bus stations. Too many signs, too many people, too many buses that all look the same.
Exactly why we're practicing. Today we'll cover buying tickets, asking for information, and understanding bus schedules.
Good. I need all of that, especially the not getting on the wrong bus part.
Then let's start simple. Repeat after me. Bus station,
Bus station.
ticket counter,
Ticket counter.
one-way ticket,
One-way ticket.
round trip or return ticket.
Round trip. Return ticket.
Perfect. Now let's imagine you walk into the station. What's the first thing you want to know?
Probably, where do I buy tickets?
Exactly. And you can ask, "Excuse me, where's the ticket counter?"
Excuse me, where is the ticket counter?
Nice. Now imagine you're at the counter. The person asks, "How can I help you?" What do you say?
I'd like to buy a ticket, please.
Perfect. Now let's make it more complete. I'd like to buy a one-way ticket to downtown.
I'd like to buy a one-way ticket to downtown.
Great. Now try a round-trip version.
I'd like a round trip to the airport, please.
Very natural. Now, the person at the counter might ask, "What time?"
Whew, this is where I panic.
Don't worry. You can say, "What times are available?"
Oh, that saves me.
Yes, it puts the responsibility on them to show the schedule.
Smart. I like that.
Now let's practice asking about price. Repeat, "How much is a ticket?"
How much is a ticket?
And another version, "How much does it cost?"
How much does it cost?
Great. Now let's talk about platforms. Do you know what a bus platform is?
Yeah, it's like the place where the bus arrives or leaves.
Exactly. People also call it gate or bay.
Bay. Wow, new word unlocked.
So you can ask, "Which platform does the bus leave from?"
Which platform does the bus leave from?
Perfect. This already feels useful.
Good, because now we're moving to directions. Let's imagine you're lost inside the bus station.
Very realistic. Someone tells you, "Go straight and turn left,"
Okay, that's manageable.
or "It's on the second floor."
I hope not. Bus stations with floors confuse me.
Same. But it's good to understand. Try repeating, "Is this the right platform for the 10:30 bus?"
Is this the right platform for the 10:30 bus?
Nice. That question saves lives, trust me.
I believe it.
Now let's practice a quick dialogue. I'll be the ticket agent. "Hello, how can I help you?"
Hi, I'd like to buy a ticket to the city center, please.
One way or round trip?
One way, please. What times are available?
There's a bus at 9:45 and another at 10:30.
I'll take the one at 10:30.
Perfect. That'll be $10.
Wow, that actually felt smooth.
See, you're a natural traveler.
Thank you. Now, if only I didn't get lost in real life.
We'll fix that too in the next section because we're going to practice asking directions outside the station, finding the right bus, and talking to the driver.
Oh boy.
Don't worry, one step at a time, just like boarding a bus. So, Leo, now that you bought your ticket, you need to actually find your bus.
Oh yes, the part where panic begins.
Not today. Let's practice useful phrases. First, "Is this the right bus for?"
Is this the right bus for downtown?
Excellent. Another useful one is, "Does this bus stop at?"
Does this bus stop at the central station?
Perfect. You'll sound confident.
What if I need to talk to the driver?
Keep it simple. "Excuse me, does this bus go to the airport?"
Excuse me, does this bus go to the airport?
Very natural. And if the driver says no, you can reply, "Which bus should I take?"
Which bus should I take?
Good. This question is a lifesaver.
I always get confused with numbers.
Then ask, what number is the bus to...
What number is the bus to the university?
Perfect! Now imagine you're outside the station and trying to find the right stop. You can use, where's the bus stop for line 27?
Where's the bus stop for line 27?
Great! Or, is it far from here?
Is it far from here?
Nice! And sometimes people will give directions like, go straight for 2 blocks.
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Or, turn right at the corner.
Turn right at the corner.
Good! These are common in every city. Another challenge, understanding bus times. Let's practice schedule questions. What time does the next bus arrive?
What time does the next bus arrive?
What time does the bus leave?
What time does the bus leave?
And a super useful one, is the bus on time?
Is the bus on time?
Perfect!
And if it's late?
Just ask. How long is the delay?
How long is the delay?
Great! You're getting the hang of this. Now let's talk about luggage. Sometimes you need to put bags in the storage area.
Yes, the under the bus part.
Exactly. You can ask, do I need to check my bag?
Do I need to check my bag?
Or, can I keep my backpack with me?
Can I keep my backpack with me?
Perfect.
What if the driver asks me something like, anything fragile?
Easy. Say, no, nothing fragile.
No, nothing fragile.
Excellent. Now, before boarding, you might need to show your ticket. The driver may ask, may I see your ticket?
Sure, here you go.
Perfect answer. Or they might ask, do you have your boarding pass?
Yes, I have it right here.
Excellent. Now let's practice phrases for boarding the bus. Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
Can I sit here?
Can I sit here?
Excuse me, is this row 5?
Excuse me, is this row 5?
Perfect.
What about saving seats?
Easy. I'm saving this seat for a friend.
I'm saving this seat for a friend.
Or, if you want to know, is someone sitting here?
Is someone sitting here?
Beautiful. Now, imagine you need help with something on the bus. You can say, could you help me with my bag?
Could you help me with my bag?
And another common one, does this bus have Wi-Fi?
Does this bus have Wi-Fi?
Perfect. Now, Leo, next we'll practice what to say during the trip, how to ask the driver to stop, what to do if you miss your stop, and how to ask for help from other passengers.
Oh, wow. That's like my biggest fear.
Don't worry, we'll make it easy and natural.
I trust you, but also slightly scared.
Good. Fear means you're learning. All right, Leo, you're on the bus now. Let's talk about phrases you can use during the ride.
Oh, yes, because that's when I start questioning everything.
Like, am I on the right bus? Did I miss my stop? Should I jump out the window?
Exactly.
Don't worry, we'll keep you inside the bus today. Here's a great phrase. Excuse me, does this bus go to...
Excuse me, does this bus go to the museum?
Perfect. And another important one. Could you tell me when we reach my stop?
Could you tell me when we reach my stop?
This one is gold. Passengers and drivers will usually help.
I love that. Makes me feel safer.
You can also ask a passenger near you. Is the next stop Central Station?
Is the next stop Central Station?
Nice and clear. Now, imagine you want to get off and you're not sure if you need to press a button or ask. Here's what you say. Could you stop at the next stop, please?
Could you stop at the next stop, please?
Excellent. Or a shorter version. Next stop, please.
Next stop, please.
Perfect.
Okay, but let's talk about tragedy.
Tragedy?
Yes. Missing my stop.
Good. For that situation, you can say, I missed my stop. What should I do?
I missed my stop. What should I do?
Nice. Or, where can I get off to go back?
Where can I get off to go back?
Perfect.
And then I cry quietly.
Crying is optional, but asking for help is not. Some buses have automatic announcements. If you don't understand, ask, "What stop is this?"
What stop is this?
Or, "Did they say Central Station?"
Did they say Central Station?
Perfect. Now, let's do some light small talk. Imagine someone sitting next to you says, "Is this your first time in the city?"
I say, yes, I'm visiting for the weekend.
Nice. Or,
No, I've been here before.
great. And if they are the visitor, you can ask, "Do you like it here so far?"
Do you like it here so far?
Excellent. Now, imagine you want to ask, "How long is the trip?"
How long is the trip?
Or if you're worried you'll miss your stop, "How many stops until the airport?"
How many stops until the airport?
Good.
This is so helpful. I feel like I can actually travel alone now.
You totally can. Now let's practice phrases for emergencies or stressful moments. "I'm lost. Can you help me?"
I'm lost. Can you help me?
"I don't understand the schedule."
I don't understand the schedule.
Good. Another one. "Is this the express bus or the local bus?"
Is this the express bus or the local bus?
Excellent. Now we're almost there. You're ready to get off. The bus stops and the driver says, "This is the last stop." You can respond, "Thank you."
Thank you.
Or, "Have a great day."
Have a great day.
Supernatural.
Actually, I think I'd be so relieved that I survived the trip that I'd say thank you like 10 times.
Totally acceptable. Let's quickly review the most important phrases we learned today. Where's the ticket counter?
Where is the ticket counter?
What times are available?
What times are available?
Which platform does the bus leave from?
Which platform does the bus leave from?
Which bus goes to...
Which bus goes to...
Could you tell me when we reach my stop?
Could you tell me when we reach my stop?
Next stop, please.
Next stop, please.
Excellent. Leo, you did amazing today. You're officially ready for any bus station in the world.
Thanks. Next time I travel, I'll actually understand what's going on.
And to everyone listening, practice these sentences out loud. The more you repeat them, the easier real travel becomes.
See you in the next episode.
And don't miss your stop.
I'll try my best.